Awesome people! Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. It's been a while. There's a whole bunch of things coming up soon. We gotta open the vehicle up. I'm at a rest area. Gotta love the solar panels. The lighthouse back there. But north of Claire I have family. I have some good friends. I gotta show you back here. We got a surprise. It's full of jars. I got all kinds of canning jars. My blanket's falling. I got a cooker right here. We got some lids, what have you. I got some of the big jars. I have the little jars. I have jelly jars. It's amazing. So there'll be more videos coming up. I'll have a special guest on here soon. Coming in from Dallas, Texas. And everything's gonna be a little bit different, but better. So, gonna get some organization so we can start cooking some more videos out. We're doing some canning, some cooking, more homestead stuff. And while I'm here, I gotta show you the Mackinac Bridge. Off-scale model. Pretty cool, huh? Haven't been here in a few years at this truck stop, so that's a new addition. And what scares a lot of people is part of the bridge is a grate. It's not paved, and so you can see the water. And when it's windy, you get that updraft, and sometimes moves the vehicle in a storm, and that'll throw you for a loop. But anyway, I'm gonna make this short and sweet. I still got 3.5 hours of travel to get home. It was a beautiful time. What I'm thankful for is I worked all the 6 and 7 days that I could. I worked through the last COVID shutdown. I'm working through this one. We're not exactly, so we are essential workers, I think, the whole factory now. But I got burnt out for a little bit, so I took 3 4-day weekends in a row. So this is a holiday. It didn't cost me any vacation. We got a few more vacation days coming up, but hopefully we'll get some more things coming in. I got someone that's going to organize my time a little bit better and just kick some of these amazing videos out. And with that, I'm going to get out of here. The people are walking up, and you have a beautiful solar panel day.